If you've already posted good content, you should never be stuck wondering what to post again. This sheet helps you build a 30, 60, 90-day repost system so great content doesn't go to waste. As you can see, I've added a tab to our content planner and I've renamed it Repost Calendar. And what I've added there across the top is just some simple headers for the title, the category, the format you used, the last time it was posted, how often you want to repost it, and then the next due date is just a formula that will take the last posted plus whatever you put in the repost frequency column, column E, and tell you the next day, next due date, next repost date. So, and then the last column is column G for status, and that just lets you know if it's ready to post. If it's not ready to post, you can do a drop down there. So this is where you will log all your high performing content and set when it should be reposted. Very clear. One thing I like to add is the conditional formatting. And so anything that's overdue in column F will highlight automatically and jump out at you. It'll be yellow, and it'll let you know that it's time to repost and that you don't miss your window. The last thing I like to do is I just add filters across the top, because as you log more and more content, it'll be easier to sort by the format or the category or your how your repost frequency. And so this is a very simple but useful tool. The sheet gives you a system to reuse your best posts automatically. And if you want it, comment repost and we'll send it over to you right away. Thanks for watching.